Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the process that I've been using for the past 60 days, roughly 63 days to be exact, that's making me $228 per day. You guys can see the flow chart that I have here. We're actually building off of the past two previous videos. This is part of a case study series where I'm showing you how to go from 0 to 6 figures, start making 6 figures in 90 days or less. This is a paint by number system. I'm showing you guys what I'm doing step by step and click by click. So let me show you in this video what we've covered up to this point and what we will be covering. Now, if you're new to the channel, there's a few things that you need to do. Number one, you need to go to the first video of this series, and that will be step one in the description below. Also, you need to make sure that you subscribe to this channel and tick the bell icon so you receive tomorrow's video and tomorrow's action steps. I'm telling you guys, there's really no other YouTube channel out there that's showing you guys legit ways to make money online. There's a lot of creators that just create videos to get a lot of views, get a lot of clicks, and their strategies simply don't work. I'm showing you guys in depth exactly what you need to do to start selling and promoting other people's products and make commissions and really have a business in life that you actually love. So up to this point, we've covered HBA. You guys should be set up with HBA. We also covered email marketing. So simply put, we've been just sharing our affiliate links with My Lead Gen Secret, and we've been promoting HBA, Home Business Academy. That's earning us $20 per month. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to add a few more elements. We're going to add YouTube marketing into the mix, and we're going to add a system known as multiple income funnel. This is going to give us an extra angle in which we can promote and sell the Home Business Academy. It's important to have as many different angles as we can to promote and sell a product. Now, you have to realize when it comes to marketing, sales, whether it's online or offline, even building relationships, it takes about 6 to 7 exposures before people create trust and make a buying decision. So what we want to do is we want to create as many different angles, as many different methods of exposure as we can. So again, the two elements we're going to start adding is YouTube marketing to promote HBA, and also multiple income funnel, also known as MIF, to promote HBA. So let's go ahead and let's talk more about multiple income funnel. So let me just jump over here and show you guys some quick results for those of you guys that are, just brand new. Obviously, since January 23rd, we started this brand new campaign, and this income stream is producing really good results. We're nearly $9,000 in total commissions. And then multiple income funnel, which is what we're going to talk about today, this has produced $29,250 in commissions. But since the start of this campaign, this income stream is producing roughly, I think right around $86 per day if we were to do the math. And you guys can feel free to do that. You can see all my paychecks right here. Okay, so if we do that math since the 23rd of January, plus, taking this and dividing it by approximately 63 days or so, we're doing right around $228 per day. So I'm going to show you guys the exact method that we're using. Obviously, here's the overview to achieve that $228 per day. So daily, what we're doing is we're uploading a YouTube video that promotes HBA. It also promotes the MIF system because the MIF system is going to promote HBA. And also we're doing our email marketing with MLGS. So let's go ahead and once again, let's talk about multiple income funnel. So multiple income funnel is a system that sells products for you. So instead of you having to go out there, for example, on YouTube and start promoting these products and explaining these products like I've done in previous videos, as a newbie, you don't want to have to do that. The cool thing is you're going to be able to copy my videos though, and allow me to do all the selling and telling for you. So you can begin to sort of learn how to do a lot of this stuff yourself. But what we want to do is we want to leverage different influencers like myself, as well as different systems like the multiple income funnel. So just think of this as a system that promotes and sells products for you automatically on your behalf. So essentially what people do is they join multiple income funnel here, and they go through a process in which they watch these different videos, and then these different videos sell and tell for you. So for example, this first video right here, this is just a simple video that gets you to join the Facebook group. And by the way, there's going to be a step below which you can get multiple income funnel because you're going to want to use it in these future videos once again. So we have another angle that we can promote and sell HBA. Not to mention there's other income streams that we're going to be earning off of as well. And you could, feel free to get those income streams set up today, or you can do it as we continue this case study series. But nonetheless, after you complete step one, of course, you've obviously got multiple income funnel. You've purchased it. Once you get on the inside, you're going to come to step one right here, join the Facebook group, then move on to step two. This is where you join your different income streams. And as you can see, income stream number 3 is the Home Business Academy that you joined, of course, in video 1. Now, again, when people go through this process and they watch video 3, and income stream number 3 right here, they watch this whole entire video, they're going to join the Home Business Academy and you're going to make a commission, okay? As well as you can jump over here to Samcart, right? And you can share the all-in-one $25 business sales letter link here too as well. And you can promote and sell the all-in-one business, AKA Home Business Academy, this way too as well. So you have this asset, which is this sales page. It's going to sell HBA for you, as well as this asset, MIF, income stream number 3, in this video that will also sell HBA for you. So do you get how we've got multiple different ways that we're promoting and we're selling HBA? And again, way number 3 is going to be your YouTube marketing that we're going to be able to promote and sell HBA as well, and even MIF. Okay, so we're giving you as many angles, not to beat a dead horse, but we're giving you as many angles to promote these different opportunities as we can, because we want to stand out and be unique. If we're like everybody else and we're promoting these same products the same way, then we're really not going to get a lot of sales. We're not going to stand out above the rest. We're not going to get an unfair advantage. And that's why you see me reach the top of the leaderboards in many of these different income streams. So again, this is going to be income stream number 3, but if we jump back here on step 2 and subset step 1, you're going to see that income stream number 1 is multiple income funnel in of itself. Okay, so you want to complete, step 1 to step 4. Again, you want to make sure at least you're plugged into income stream number 1 because you've already joined multiple income funnel, and at least income stream number 3. Okay, as we continue on here, you're going to want to go ahead and join income stream number 2 and income stream number 4, but you don't have to do that quite yet if you're not ready to do that, because I'm going to explain that more in the next videos. But just to understand, once you start sharing your multiple income funnel link, and let's say somebody joins, any income stream that you're not in at a higher level than you, then you're going to pass up that commission to somebody else. Okay, so once you've set this all up, you complete step 3 and step 4. And then what you can do is you can jump over here to links and you can share any of these affiliate links right here. And when someone clicks these affiliate links and they buy multiple income funnel, you're going to get $20 per month in commissions, right? So you got just the VSL. This goes straight to the sales video. Then you have the capture page here. And from there, it goes to the sales video. And there's an automated follow-up that's sent out on your behalf as long as somebody goes through the capture page here. So the benefit is if they fill out the capture page, they get a bunch of follow-up emails that get them to join multiple income funnel versus just, sharing the sales video right here. You don't get that added benefit of the follow-up emails. Okay. So we want to do a combination of both. We want to share the Facebook lead capture pages here, as well as the different VSLs here. But I just want to acknowledge the different affiliate links that you have here. So when people click the affiliate link here, what's going to happen is they're going to go through the same exact process that you just went through. And when they sign up for these multiple income streams, you get paid a commission off of that. And you might be thinking, Josh, is this just a thing to buy, to join, to promote a thing, to buy, to join, to promote a thing? No. You can choose to digest the information that you're paying for in each of these income streams and apply this information to any business. So you're buying an actual tangible online asset. Yes, you can't touch it, feel it, taste it, but think of this as a university. These different income streams and the products within them solve specific problems that people have in everyday life when it comes to building a business. For example, income stream number 4 is traffic authority. People that struggle to get traffic to their offers, to their businesses. That's the reason for income stream number 4 is you pay to get traffic. Income stream number 3, again, the Home Business Academy. We talked about this in income stream number 1. It's a university that teaches people how to get leads, sales, build a brand, build a better mindset, right? Then you have income stream number 2, which is E1U Life, that focuses even more on marketing. And then income stream number 1, the actual asset is the system itself, the programming that went into it, the automation, the sales videos, the monthly maintenance. That's what you're paying for every single month. So you're actually getting something for what you're paying for versus just buying a bunch of hot air. And I get people from time to time that, object and are curious. Is this just a thing that I'm just buying to promote the thing? No, you actually get value from each of these income streams that you can apply to everyday life and also make money from it. So there's many people that will join these income streams and they won't re-promote the product that they purchase. They might use that in another business. It just so happens that you can re-promote all these different products, and multiple income funnel is the system that was built around it. So hopefully that makes perfect sense. So now that we've covered that, what we want to do today, of course, is we want to send out an email. And we can continue to send out our emails to HBA, but we can also use some emails and send them to multiple income funnel as well. So the handout below that I showed you guys in the previous video, you can continue to use this. Some of these emails are designed for like HBA, while others are more general that you can use for any offer out there. Like this one, for example, can be used for like multiple income funnel or HBA. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to promote multiple income funnel. And then, so we're going to send out another email, except instead of going to HBA, we're going to have it go to multiple income funnel. And again, you want to mix this up each and every day. And then we're going to talk about YouTube marketing at the very end of this. So make sure, let's go ahead and log into My Lead Gen Secret. We're going to go over here to create a message. Then we're going to go to email 3, for example. Email 2, promotes HBA, and we can modify this if we wanted to. Okay, but we're just going to make this easy. Jump to email 3. We're going to copy the subject line. We're going to select all of our leads here. We're going to paste it, and then we're going to jump back over, and we're going to copy the body here, and we are going to once again paste it. And we're going to replace all the links here. And let's just unbold all this. We need to move the spacing up a little bit so it looks more appealing. And this is where the link's going to go, right? So it has in brackets link. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over here. We're going to go to links, and we're going to share this Facebook capture page link right here. Okay. So we want to make sure that we copy this. We can even open it up in a new browser, copy it, and then jump back over here, and we can paste. Obviously highlight, paste, click OK. Replace our name right here, and then we will click on perfect timing and then send email. Okay, then we're done for our email for the day. We're done with our email for the day. So what we want to do after this is we want to, of course, begin setting up our YouTube channel. There's going to be a video in the description below from our previous video series that will show you how to set up your YouTube channel. Now, do not upload any videos yet at this point. Okay, I repeat, do not upload any videos yet at this point. There's been some accounts, people have been reaching out to me that have been getting shut down, and that could be for a number of things. And it could be possibly because you're uploading too many videos in a day. You're not structuring your videos right. As far as the title, description, tags, and that can make it appear spammy. So we want to be careful with what we're doing here in the YouTube section. So you're going to be able to upload my exact YouTube videos and pass them off as your own in future videos. But what I want you to do is just set up your YouTube channel. That is it. Don't complete anything after that. So today, what we've done is step 1, we set up MIF. Step 2, we send out an email. And step 3, we're setting up our YouTube channel. All those steps will be in the description below. And again, if you're new, you want to start from video 1 and take it day by day. Don't rush ahead, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, tick the bell icon, and complete the steps below. And we will see you in the next video. Take care.